Good afternoon, folks. How are you? This is Ray Quinn here with Mag Mortgage. Today we're going to discuss the 5405 IRS form. Basically, to everyone else out there, that's your $8,000 tax credit for purchasing a new house, first-time home buyer this year. So let's talk about some of that information. A lot of common questions that come up. I've spoken to quite a few different people about it. We'll start off with the most common. First-time home buyer. Basically, if you have not owned a home in 3 years, they consider you a first-time home buyer, and you qualify for that tax credit. Another question was asked to me of the amount. It always says $8,000. Well, the amount is based on the purchase price that you have, where if you have 10% of the purchase price, as long as it exceeds or matches an $80,000 purchase, you'll get the full $8,000 tax credit. And basically, the next one that I hear most common all the time is, do I have to pay it back? It is not a loan. It is a tax credit given to you on your next year's tax return. You do not have to pay it back. It's a fantastic opportunity, folks. And to qualify, it's quite simple. One of the qualifications, if you're filing individually, you cannot exceed a $75,000 annual income. If you're filing jointly, you cannot exceed $150,000 income. With that being said, I'm going to put a little disclosure in there because it's always my stated fact. You want to talk to your personal accountant and go over that. Also, above here, I've given you a link where you can go to, it'll directly bring you to the IRS website so you can download that form yourself. Couple this with other great programs that are out there right now. There is incredible opportunity. You have a good amount of inventory on the market that you can pick from for a good property to live into. It's not a rush like it was before, where you had to make an offer on the first house you had seen in the first day. Obviously that's changed. You have good opportunity there. There's great loan programs. If you check through some of the other videos, you'll see those also listed here. It kind of makes a good 1-2 punch. I'll tell you what, people always say, and you hear it all the time, I wish I knew. I wish I had the opportunity. Well, folks, the opportunity's here. It's here and it's now. This is I hate to say it, no pun intended, a limited time offer. But it is that way. You'll see it on the form. It's listed that if you purchase a house between January 1st of 2009 to December 1st of 2009. So it is limited time. The clock is ticking. Time is running by. So what I'd say is check my blog for any updated information on this subject and or other subjects. Also the other good loan programs that are out there. There's opportunity. It's waiting for you here, folks. And last thing I could say is call me for any details, additional details on this, any questions you might have. I'm always available. My number is always listed here. I wish you the best, folks, and it's up to you. Make it a great day.